first phase of Sankalan 2008 finally comes to an end. Is that one step closer to finding the right mix of content? For our mentors and our writers, it is now that the real work begins. And for Bioscope Entertainment, the NGO which has conceived and designed Sankalan, this is yet another step towards evolving the indie film movement in India. It is a dream realized as the script lab unfolds to nurture new ideas and a budding bunch of writers. An amazing 174 entries, each comprising 2 to 3 concepts, along with the mandatory sample script that came to us over a period of almost 2.5 months, starting 19th of May and closing on 29th of July 2008. After rigorous rounds of reading by professionals from the industry, laid forth his or her vision. Rigorous discussions and reviews followed, some of them were great fun, and now we are here to announce the 12 best concepts from this season of Sankalan. But before we get on to the announcements, I would like to invite...
Thank you, Anurag. Good afternoon. Congratulations to the 12 selected participants. And I'm sure that you know that we are trying to create the best environment for you people to interact with the best script writers this country has, to actually polish the uncut diamonds which you guys have already created. So make the most of it, and we will be always next to you to help you in the process. So all the best to you people, and thank you everybody, and have a very, very exciting and a challenging and a great time.
About what the aspirant has written, heard them voice their vision as they pitched one-to-one for at least half an hour each, without whom the lab would not be possible, because they are the ones who stood by us and they are the ones who will guide everybody. I would request Amen.
As everybody said, and which also reiterated, it began with a very elementary belief, which one would think is the most sort of fundamental or obvious sort of observation, that through feature films we try to share our experiences in the form of stories, and so therefore the script, which is a document that actually converts the story into a cinematic narrative for the screen, ought to be the determining factor in whether the film is able to reach the audience for which it is intended. And yet, ever so often, we find long phases in the Indian film industry where this basic and obvious factor is overlooked. Sometimes it is important, actually, to consciously put together an event to bring the script back center stage. I can't use the flamboyant phrase that the Indian use, saying script is king, but we get misquoted. And I must say that script writing, having been a neglected craft in this country, that the material that we have received is not necessarily in the quality. It's uncut.
Actually, this is the beginning, it's the first day, there's lots of work we have to do. And so, I think, yeah, we can keep working. And now the clock begins. Okay? I'll give it to Anurag to talk about it.
It was a rigorous experience, and there was a lot of debate and a lot of a lot of analysis of things. There's a list of 12 people, and we hope we turn out 12 extraordinary films out of them. And I think the real time to talk would be at the end of it. So I'll save it for them. Thank you.
No, I just wanted to mention, see, it's a contest. It is designed like one, because some amount of filtering has to take place. I mean, we didn't have the capacity to sort of include 174 people in the workshop, obviously. So which is why a choice had to be made. So without taking away from the merits of the 12 people who are here, I also would like to sort of send out a word to those other people who did apply, including those who made it to the top 24 and the others who made it to various stages, that there obviously was a spark. For us, most certainly would like to put in a word of encouragement on behalf of all. Outside Sankalan is not the issue. Sankalan is merely just a small catalyst in the sort of system to continue with their efforts. Maybe we'll interact with them next time.
Mini, the creative producer from Mumbai Mantra, who is actually Jyoti Kapoor for the amazing title, apart from everything else, Ramji Ki Nikli Ferrari. Kanu Ben, Kenny Basumatari,